Don't forget you left those things out. We're gonna throw it in the trash can. I don't have any more peaches. Sit down. Look at me. These are dirty. I don't have any more peaches. Would you like some banana?
Zachary, Brianna, and Wyatt go wash
That's all there
hands.
is. I'm sorry, Joshua. I didn't throw them on the floor. They're dirty. No, Josh, they're dirty. There, you eat your peaches. It's okay, Brittany. Joshua, would you like to get up and have a banana? Miss Leslie, since you're here, Joshua, I'll go in the other room.
Huh? Oh, they don't go
You
inside.
take mine.
Sarah,
I'll take
take them to the shed. They don't. Okay.
Joshua, you want to get up and have a banana, or do you want to go back to the classroom? Okay, we're going back to the classroom. Quiet, come in here. I'm sorry that you just fell on the floor. I'm sorry that you didn't get a nap. Joshua, that really hurt.